Hello everyone, welcome back. If you keep getting a notification frequently that says volume should be turned down on your iPhone and iPad screen, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to find and tap on accessibility, scroll and tap audio and visual. Here we have to turn off headphone notification if it's turned on. The next thing that we have to do, we have to go back to settings, tap on Bluetooth. Here what we have to do, we have to tap on the I symbol in front of the connected Bluetooth device and tap device type. Here we have to select the headphone if any other option is selected. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.